It's about 5 p.m. and what you can see as a very windy Colombia, and I just thought I'd show you my apartment. I love this place a lot. However, the Wi-Fi is terrible. But when I have views like this, it's not so much of a problem. The sun is setting, so Colombia is, well, Santa Marta faces the west, so we get the best sunsets ever, and it's a vibe. Show you this balcony. So yeah, like, I love this. I love it here. The weather has been perfect every single day, and the food is so amazing. Like, I love Colombian food. It's fish and bathroom. I didn't really do forgive me for the mess. I didn't really properly clean it. We were actually about to get food. This is Ayo, by the way, Black Star Marketing. It's another agency owner. When you surround yourself with other agency owners, you're more productive. But we were about to get food at the bar downstairs, and I'll be showing you. But I just wanted to get this beautiful sunset on the camera because I love it. This is the main room as well. The main room is, really nice. And then this is the vibe of the main room. And then you got a kitchen. Kitchen's really small. It's like, gets the job done. It gets the job done, But there's no space for storage. And there's 2 bedrooms, by the way. So there's my bedroom, and then there's the spare bedroom. All of this for an amount per month that is absolutely shocking to me. Like, what I pay for rent is a third of what I'd pay for in London. Like, if this was the same apartment in London or New York or Miami or Texas or any city or any Western city, like, it would be like $2,000-3,000. Like, and if it's in London, like, it will be $2,000 easy. Like, this is a vibe, and it costs 1/3. Not even 1/3, even less than that, man. But yeah, I love it here so much. This is Santa Marta. Well, actually, no. This is El Rodadero. So El Rodadero has the better beach. El Rodadero has the better beach, right? The beach in Santa Marta, it's pretty to look at, but it's too small. The Rodadero beach is lovely. It's a vibe. It's beautiful. It's there, so it starts like there, it goes all the way down to there. Santa Marta Beach is like that. It's literally like there to there, like, and it's so small. So yeah, like, stay in El Rodadero. This part, so as you can see, it's literally just apartment. It's this Playa Salguero. Now, even though it is like in a touristy-ish area, apparently it's really dangerous. So that's another thing as well to mention, is like danger. Apparently, like, people be getting robbed, like, down there, like, literally on this road. They be getting robbed. I don't believe it. I've walked that road literally every day and I've been fine. But yeah, it's very important to know information like that. But yeah, like, all in all, Santa Marta is a vibe. Like, to be fair, so long as you're street smart and you're not silly, you aren't going to get in trouble. And if you're aware of your surroundings and you aren't silly, again, then you can make any environment work. But however, I am hungry, and I wanted to just quickly make a check-in post as to how my life is going, and agency growth and Santa Marta and traveling. Mexico was a vibe, but here I am now. So yeah, maybe I'll start making more content. I probably will start making more content. I love making content. I'm probably going to just post this immediately and then edit it later and just take action. But thank you guys all for watching. If you've made it this far, go ahead and like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video.